How to log in to Skrill account. So if you want to log in to Skrill account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and make sure you have a stable internet connection. And after that, go to the search bar and search for Skrill. And after searching, on the first search you will have www.skrill.com. Click on that. And now if you want to log in, then on the upper right corner you will have a login option. You can simply click on that. And now you have to enter your email and your password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot your password option. You can simply click on forgot your password and then you can reset your password. So after entering your email address and then your password, you have to click on login. And that's it. That's how you log into your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.